What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, all right, now that Market Mentors is open, first link in the description if you want to join the waitlist. Now that it's open, we are getting back to YouTube as well as the rest of the mentors. So I'm going to be going over, all right, a couple of stock plays that I'm looking at. These stock plays will be within the Discord. All right, those of you guys that are within the Market Mentors Discord, you will get the put credit spreads on these three stocks that we're about to go over, starting with NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, we are expecting bullish continuation push to the upside. All right, we do have earnings on February 26th. All right, that is in 10 days, and we will be running another play on earnings day. All right. Now, in order to trade stock options along with my team and I, just make sure you have at least $100 within your Robinhood account. Head over to Market Mentors. If you can't gain access to the website, join the waitlist. Once you gain access to the website, on the home page, just click on this Robinhood tab right here. All right, it's going to take you straight to Robinhood. Throw $100 into your Robinhood account, and then you're going to be expecting returns just like this. Those of you guys within the Discord community, I mean, we've been doing this since December. So our Meta 670 put is currently up 83%. Starbucks is currently up 73%. Palantir is up 68%. Coca-Cola is up 50%. CMG, that's Chipotle, is up 40%. NIA is up 30%. Tesla is up 12%. Google's down 47%. But we got into that position a little early, so this is to be expected. We're just waiting on institutional money to come into the market. All right. So let's get back to NVIDIA. So I am expecting bullish continuation on NVIDIA, and we are going to play earnings as well. So we should have a really, really good month on NVIDIA. This should definitely wrap up our month on NVIDIA for sure. All right, next, Microsoft. So Microsoft was a bit of a doozy. All right, we got out of Microsoft around break even previously. All right, last week, and now we are looking for the momentum to continue to possibly start to push to the upside. If that does take place, all right, we will be running put credit spreads this week, 7-day put credit spreads this week on Microsoft. Now, we do have dividend payouts coming up on Microsoft, okay, very, very soon here. If we look at the previous dividend payment, we saw, all right, a lot of bullish momentum there. Let's see, dividend payout here, price dropped, and then we saw another push to the upside. So, you know, dividend payments is not really something that I like to speculate all too much. It is just something that I do keep in mind. So we do have that coming up, and we want to keep that in mind for sure. Last but not least, on the bullish stocks, all right, Tesla. So we are currently up right now in Tesla, about 12.72%. And then we closed a position last week on Tesla. Let's see, Tesla. No, that was NVIDIA, INTC. Where's our previous Tesla position? Let's see. Okay, so a couple weeks ago, so 2 weeks ago, we closed our previous position on Tesla for 83% return on investment. So not bad at all, right? So I am looking for Tesla to continue to push to the upside. All right, once we get that continuation momentum, all right, I will be calling out put credit spreads on Tesla as well. Essentially, the broker will be paying you in order to provide insurance to the Tesla market. So that's what I'm looking at as it relates to put credit spreads. Now let's talk about call credit spreads. A couple of assets that I am bearish on, nothing that we're in currently, all right? But these are stocks that we have taken advantage of in the past for sure. Like Apple. I mean, we'll go over this at a later time, but I respect you guys' time, so I kind of want to get right to the point. So Apple, I am looking for Apple to possibly turn over and start to move to the downside. All right, it's struggling to break above and stay above the 200-day moving average, and we have strong resistance near, the current level that we're at. So overall, I am looking for Apple to turn over, start to slightly push to the downside. Once that does take place, we will be running call credit spreads. Essentially, the broker will be paying us to sell calls on Apple and provide insurance. So that's what we'll be doing as it relates to Apple. All right, now let's go into AMD next. All right, so AMD, we are currently not in AMD, but we took a position on AMD last week, and I believe we closed Let's see. AMD. There it is, closing all of AMD, 75% return. So yeah, we do trade AMD quite often. We closed the last position for 75% return about 6 days ago. Called that out within the Discord community as well. Now, I know you guys see all the call outs within the Mrkt Trading Academy Discord, but all of the call outs will be from this point on within the Market Mentors Discount Discord, along with Dalen, who's our funded mentor, Vez, who's our NASDAQ and risk management mentor, Mort, who's our NASDAQ day trader, Vo, who is our currency, as well as a little bit of US30 and NASDAQ as well. And then Eli Swavey, he deals with stocks. All right. So definitely keep that in mind. So all of us are now going to be dropping our investments and analysis within the Market Mentors Discord community. Next, let's talk about Netflix. All right. Last but not least, we're going to talk about Netflix real quick for you guys. We are expecting bearish momentum on Netflix as well. Now, Netflix does look like it is, continuing to move to the upside, but it is quite overextended. All right. It is volatile, so definitely be careful with the Netflix play, but you do have clear room to work with. Now, you could do a call credit spread or a put credit spread, seeing as though, Netflix is very, very far from this bottom here. All right. And we also have a little bit of support around this Bollinger Band right here around 188. So you can just round that up to 890. So do keep in mind that we could play either put credit spread or call credit spread on Netflix, but I am expecting Netflix to start to, move to the downside just a little bit. So that is the research for you guys. If you want the specific research, feel free to join in on the Discord, and that's where you will see the specific research on everything. But with that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys in tomorrow's video. But with that being said, I look forward to seeing you guys on tomorrow's video, where I will update you on these 6 positions that we just went over today. So AMD, let's go ahead and add Netflix as well. I'm not sure why Netflix isn't added to my watch list. Yes, we do trade Starbucks as well. NVIDIA, Microsoft. Let's go ahead and mark up Apple as well. We went over that. And Tesla. So we'll be going over these 6 assets. All right, quick little segment video for you guys. And then I'll keep you guys updated on what we do. Now, keep in mind, tomorrow the market is closed. So the video that I'm referring to will actually be uploaded for you guys on Tuesday. All right, but tomorrow you guys will get a little insight on how we're preparing for Tuesday. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love and peace out.